Welcome students. Today I am going to explain you the surface area and some based on surface area. Okay. First sum is a matchbox is 4 centimeter long, 2.5 centimeter broad and 1.5 centimeter in height. Its outer sides are to be covered exactly with a craft paper. How much paper will be required to do so? Okay. Now see, first one is they have given you the matchbox. You know the matchbox is like a cuboid shape. Okay, it is a cuboid shape. Okay, it is a length, this is a length, this is a breadth and this is the height. Already I explained you this concept in my previous video. Now see, in this sum they have given you the length of matchbox is 4 centimeter, breadth is 2.5 centimeter and height is 1.5 centimeter. Now which formula we have to use? Total surface area of a cuboid. The formula is 2 into bracket, square bracket, length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. 2 you have to write outside the bracket. Now see, length is how much? 4 centimeter, means you have to put in the place of length is 4 multiplied by breadth is 2.5 plus 2.5 multiplied by 1.5. Always you have to write bracket, it is compulsory, plus 4 into 1.5 and you have to complete that by square bracket. Okay, now next one is for 2.5 multiplied by 4, that will be 10, because 2.5 multiplied by 4 means 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8 and 9 10, means it is 10. Here after one digit there is a decimal point. 2.5 means after one digit they have given you the decimal point, means from right hand side you have to count the digits and you have to give the decimal point, that is the 10. Okay, now 10 in plus 3.75 plus 6, 2.5 multiplied by 1.5 is 375, but here after one digit there is a decimal point, that is 5, and here also after one digit there is a decimal point, that is a 5, means total 2 digits. That's why from right hand side you have to leave 2 digits and you have to give the decimal point. Okay, it is clear to you now. Plus 4 into 1.5, 4 into 1.5, again it will be 60, and again here after one digit there is a decimal point, means here it is a 6. When you doing the addition of the decimal you have to concentrate on giving, when you give the decimal point, it is a 10 means 10.0, 3.75 plus 6 means 6.0, means you have to do the addition like this only, then you will be getting correct answer. Addition will be 7 5 as it is, 7 as it is point, and 6 plus 3 is 9 and 1 you have to write as it is, means your answer will be 19.75. Okay, now do the multiplication. 19.75 multiplied by 2, 19.75 multiplied by 2, 19.75 is how much? Multiplied by 2 is how much? 39.50, and square centimeter you can write it as a centimeter square, or don't write this point, you can write it as a centimeter square like this, centimeter square, or write like this, say square dot centimeter. Both the way answer is the same, answer is correct. The paper required to cover the matchbox is 39.50 square centimeter. Okay, now we are moving towards the second question. Second question is what? An open box of length 1.5 meter, breadth 1 meter and height is 1 meter is to be made use on trolley for carrying a garden waste. How much sheet metal will be required to cover this box? And the inside and outside surface of the box is to be painted with rust proof paint at a rate of 150 rupees per square meter. How much will it cost to paint the box? Now see, they have given you the open box, means the side of the box from the upward side is open, upside is open, means see, in this sum they have given you the box, means it is also a cuboid shape, means length is 1.5 meter, breadth is 1 meter, and height is 1 meter. They have already mentioned all these things, in your sum. Okay, now the box is an open box, it means it has no lid. It is uh, that the box is open, they already mentioned this in your sums. This your sum means box is open, means it has no lid, means total surface area is length into breadth, because that from upward side it will be open, means length into breadth plus 2 into breadth into height plus 2 into length into height. Okay, see, this is the box. Okay, this is your box, but this side, this upward portion is what? Open. There is nothing is there, means this part is open here, means there is nothing is there, means what? The length is how much? 1.5. You have to put that 1.5. Breadth is 1 plus 2 into 1 breadth, and height also 1, and plus 2 into length into height. Length is also 1.5, height also 1, means 1.5 multiplied by 1, 1.5. 2 into 1 into 1 means 2, and 1.5 into 2 means what? 3. It will be 30, but there is a decimal point, that's why your answer will be 3.0. Means answer is, you have to simply do the addition. When you doing addition of the decimal, see here 1.5, 2, and here 3. Here will be 0. And then you have to find out the answer. Okay, this precaution compulsory you have to take, otherwise you will get the wrong answer. Surface area of the box on the outer surface and surface area of the box on the inner surface must be same. Okay, now next one is what? The total surface area on the both the sides, means first one you are getting the surface area is how much? 6.5. Okay, 6.5, and here you have to write it as a square meter, because they have mentioned you in the meter. You have to write it as a square meter. Okay, now total surface area on both the side will be same, and that's why you have to do the addition here. 6.5, 6.5, it will be 13 square meter. Okay, understood this? Now the cost to paint the box is rupees 150 per square meter. For 1 square meter it is how much? 150. You have to find out for it for 13 square meter, means you have to find out the value for 1 to many. When you finding the value for 1 to many, you have to do the multiplication, and 13 into 150 is equal to 1950 rupees. This will be the cost, total cost to paint the box. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and press bell icon button.